Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with essentials. Charge the QuickCY Watch above 20% and power it on so Bluetooth can broadcast. On your phone, turn on Bluetooth and location. These let the app scan nearby devices. Install and open the QuickCY app, then grant Bluetooth, location, and notification permissions when prompted. Once done, put the watch into pairing mode from its settings menu. You'll know it's visible when the screen shows a Bluetooth icon or pairing text. This begins the live connection process. You'll now pair. In the app, tap Scan or Add Device, then select the QuickCY model shown. Confirm the numeric PIN or pairing prompt shown on both the watch and phone. This prevents accidental connections and secures data exchange. Once connected, allow the app to sync contacts, notifications, and time settings. This enables call alerts and correct timestamps. Make sure the app requests notification access and background activity permission. Otherwise, syncs may stop when the phone sleeps. Finish by testing features. Place a test call, play /pause music from the watch, and send a notification to confirm delivery. In the app, enable auto-sync and check for a firmware update. Updates fix stability and add features, so install if available. If connections drop, restart both the watch and phone, turn Bluetooth off/on, then repair from the app. This clears residual cache and resolves most issues. If problems persist, reinstall the QuickCY app and repeat pairing to reset the link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.